one of the most important things that stuck with me from experiment 2 were the techniques that are commonly used to separate mixtures. So one of the things we talked about was filtration. And filtration is the process of separating a solid from a liquid by passing it through a medium which only the liquid can go through. So meaning the solid would remain in the strainer and the liquid would pass through. So I put pineapple, blackberry, and blueberries into this measuring cup and then submerge them in water. And I'm going to be pouring them into the strainer and showing that only the water will go through the holes on the strainer and the fruits will remain in there. So I'm going to take my measuring cup and pour this in here. And when I pour that in here, we can see that only the liquid was able to pass through. So the solids, the pineapple, blackberry, and blueberry remained in there and would always remain in here. There's no way that these could possibly fit through those holes. So when we talked about mixtures, we also talked about heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous being for example, a smoothie with a bunch of fruits in there. If you blend up the smoothie, that becomes homogeneous. If you have fruits like this just sitting in here, this is considered heterogeneous because we could easily pick these fruits out and we could tell them apart. So we could pick this out and say this is a blackberry. We could pick these and say that these are blueberries, and these are pineapples. So if I don't have a blender with me, but if I was able to take all these and put them in the blender and blend it up, I would not be able to pick out the individual fruits and differentiate between them anymore. It would all just be one big mixture. So that is what I am demonstrating today. I wish I had a blender so I could blend these up and give an example of homogeneous, but